Happy hearts. A hearts full of hope for a better world. The ripple effect of a smile. DIY happy hearts. By Nima.
Imagine a tiny pebble cast into a still pond. It creates ripples, spreading outward, influencing the entire surface. Now imagine that pebble is a simple act, a smile, a hello. These are not just gestures, but powerful catalysts that can trigger a cascade of positivity. Just as the ripples from the pebble transform the tranquil surface of the pond, a smile and a hello can reshape the emotional landscape of a person's day, even their life. They are the sparks that ignite the human connection, the keys that unlock empathy and understanding. Yet their impact goes beyond the individuals involved. Like ripples, their effects radiate outwards, touching lives in ways we might never see or understand. This is the ripple effect of a smile and a hello. Today we delve into the science and magic of smiles and hellos, exploring their profound impact on ourselves and the world around us. A smile isn't just a physical act, it's a biochemical symphony within our brains. You see, when the corners of our mouth curl upwards, a fascinating chain of events begins to unfold. Our brain receives a signal, setting off a cascade of chemical reactions. Hormones such as dopamine and endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, are released. These hormones serve as our personal stress relievers and joy promoters, creating a warm, inviting aura around us. But here's the kicker. Even if the smile isn't entirely genuine, our brain still gets the memo. That's right, even a fake smile can coax our brain into a happier state. How's that for a life hack? The very act of smiling, whether genuine or not, sends positive signals to the brain, tricking it into producing feelings of joy. So in essence, when we choose to smile, we're setting off a self-fulfilling prophecy of joy. Hello, that simple greeting, is a bridge across the human divide. It acknowledges another soul, expresses kindness, and opens the door to connection. The magic of a hello lies in its ability to activate the brain's reward centers, akin to receiving a gift. It fosters a sense of belonging, mitigates feelings of loneliness, and cultivates trust. Moreover, the positivity of a hello is contagiously delightful. A single hello can ripple outward, inspiring others to spread the light of connection. One hello ripples outward, inspiring others to spread the light of connection. Now imagine amplifying these effects. Imagine a world where smiles and hellos are our lingua franca, a universal language of joy and connection. Let's consciously sprinkle these heartwarming gestures into our daily interactions. A smile to the bus driver, a hello to the postman, a kind word to a stranger. These seemingly small actions are the building blocks for a world pulsating with happiness. Together, we can build a world where every heart sings its own unique song of joy, creating a harmony so beautiful it can heal the world.
Happy hearts. A hearts full of hope for a better world.